Hello everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I am Zubaish Apti. Today we will be creating the back bodies blog, and all the tools and material I used are linked in the description below, so make sure to check them out if you want to get started on your own patterns. So let's begin the video. First we will draw the bottom line. For this we will use the formula round waist divided by 4 plus 4 centimeter. My round waist is 67, so 67 divided by 4 plus 4 centimeter is equal to 20.75 centimeter, and I marked here 20.75 centimeters on my bottom line. Next we will mark the full length, which is 42 centimeter. We will draw the straight line from the top to bottom representing the full length of the bodies. Now to create the back neck, we will make a rectangle. The height of the rectangle will be 2 centimeter, and for the width we will use the formula round neck divided by 5 minus 0.5 centimeter. My round neck is 38 centimeters, so 38 divided by 5 minus 0.5 centimeter will be 7.1 centimeter. I marked 7.1 centimeter and completed the rectangle. After that we marked 2.5 centimeter down from the neck to create shoulder slope and ensure horizontal line for marking this line, and we used a formula across back divided by 2 plus 2 centimeter. My across back is 34 centimeter, so 34 divided by 2 plus 2 centimeter is equal to 19 centimeter. I marked 19 centimeter on the horizontal line, a natural fit on the bodies. And if you want to find out the shoulder slope, so for that there is also a formula. You can divide your shoulder by 10, so you will get your shoulder slope. Next we join the neck to the shoulder using the slant line to create the shoulder slope. After that we drew a vertical line from neckline towards the bottom line. For this we need the formula armhole length minus 1.5 centimeter. My armhole length is 22 centimeter, so 22 minus 1.5 centimeter is equal to 20.5 centimeter, and I mark 20.5 centimeter and draw a horizontal line. Now we need to measure the line we drew for the shoulder and the line we just created. My measurement came out to be 18 centimeter, and when I halved it I got 9 centimeter, and I marked 9 centimeter. From that 9 centimeter we drew a horizontal line. For this we used the formula across back divided by 2. So my across back is 34 centimeter, so 34 divided by 2 is equal to 17 centimeter. I marked 17 centimeter on the line. Now on the bust line we used the formula round bust divided by 4. My round bust is 96 centimeters, so 96 divided by 4 is equal to 24 centimeter. I marked 24 centimeter on this horizontal line. Now we need to mark the bust separation to the bust line. For this we used the formula round bust divided by 10 centimeter. My round bust is 96 centimeter, so 96 divided by 10 is equal to 9.6 centimeter. I marked 9.6 centimeter on the bust line, and I will mark the same 9.6 centimeter on the bottom line. After marking both points, I connect them. Next, on the bottom line we mark 2 centimeter on both left and right side. This will form out dart. After marking we will draw the dart. Then using French curve we will shape the armhole and the neck. After shaping the neck and armhole, we will divide the shoulder line in half. My shoulder line is 12.6 centimeters, so I marked at 6.3 centimeter. For the shoulder dart, I marked the dart length as 8 centimeter. On this point, I marked 1 centimeter on both left and right side and connected these points to form the dart. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide on drafting the back bodice block helpful. If you have any questions or want more tips, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more fashion design tutorials and pattern making videos. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.